Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learner's Point. In today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can install WordPress theme to your WordPress website. So if I know you might be wondering what is WordPress themes, if this sounds strange to you, then WordPress theme, I can say it's more like how do I put it in a layman's language. WordPress themes are kind of a template that makes your website design looks beautiful and attractive to your viewers or your audience. So if you have just installed WordPress and then to your website and you've been looking for how you can actually customize or make your website beautiful, or perhaps you must have visited one or two sites and you noticed the site is beautiful and you also want the site to look exactly that way, then worry no more, because in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can customize, how you can install your WordPress themes without much stress. But before we jump right into this video, if this is your first time stumbling upon my YouTube channel Learner's Point, do wait to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you can get notified on every new video that I publish on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can as well learn how to install WordPress theme to their WordPress website. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, I'm on my WordPress dashboard already, so I'll be showing you exactly how you can install your WordPress theme. So first thing first, let us scroll up here and see how this whole thing is. So you can see this is dashboard, website, script, jetpack, post, media, pages, comment, feedback, WordPress forms, appearance. So now to install a new WordPress theme to your WordPress dashboard, it's all you need to do is to hover to the appearance here. So I'll be showing you the already default. Once you install a WordPress to your website or to your site or blog, there are default themes that you can actually use, you can customize, which makes your site actually looks beautiful. But we're not going to use the default one, we're going to use our own choice of WordPress themes. So I'm going to show you, this is appearance here, so we're going to scroll up here and click on themes. So hold on while it loads. Just a moment. So as you can see, this is my installed WordPress theme at the moment. We have, as you can see, it's active here. This is News Up, and this was the previous theme I was using, which is Asteroid theme. I've actually installed News Hunt, but I've not made use of it. So to install a new WordPress theme, all we simply need to do is to click here, on Add New here. Just a moment. I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually upload a downloaded theme. Peradventure you bought your theme from Theme Forest or wherever you must have gotten your theme from, or a friend of yours shared his or her theme with you via file. It's simple. I'll be showing you exactly how you can upload your WordPress theme as well. So now this is Add New here. To add a new theme, just a moment. So now we're going to click on Add New Theme here. Sorry, my internet service seems to be a little terrible today. So we're going to search theme here, or better still, before we okay, let us search the theme here. We're going to search Color Mag here. I love Color Mag because of the simplicity design. It's easy and simple for a newbie to actually make use of, to install Color Mag theme and customize it. You can actually use the demo settings, but I recommend you use the demo setting on a fresh site that does not have content yet. So let's see. I think we have our theme Color Mag here. This is it. We're just going to preview it. I'm not actually going to install this theme to my site. Okay, better still, I'm going to install it. So I'm going to show you. Now let us click and preview how the theme looks on our site before we install it here. Just a moment. So you can see this is how color mark theme looks on our site. It makes your site look beautiful. So when you scroll down, you can see, let's scroll down and see. So you can see the settings and everything. So all you simply need to do before you install anything, you need to actually view the theme to say if it fits for your taste or your blog or your kind of content rather. So as you can see, so to install this, let us go back and install color mark theme. Oh, I went back and now let's see, color mag. Here is it. So now we're going to click on the install now. Just a moment. So as you can see, it's installed. So now we're going to click on activate. Just a moment, it's activating. Wow, sorry for this little delay since my ISP is so terrible today. Okay, I think we need to refresh this or reload. We can do this. We can also do this. So as you can see, the theme has been successfully installed. So as you can see, this is color mag, it's active. So to customize our theme, all we need to do, we can click on customize here, or better still, you go back to appearance. Let's go up here, let's scroll up a bit. As you can see, we have appearance, we have themes, customize widgets, menus, header, background, additional CSS, color mark options, theme file, editor. So all you need to do to customize it, all you simply need to do is to click on customize here. Now to upload a WordPress theme that you've actually downloaded to your computer, it's easy. So I'll be showing you now on how you can actually upload a downloaded, or better still, a file that was a theme file that was shared with you from either your friend or you bought it from Team Forest or wherever you got your theme from. That is not a big deal, adding a theme to your WordPress site. So now to add a new theme, all you simply need to do is to click on add new here. Just a moment. ISP so terrible. I think I may have to pause this video and wait until when it's done. So as you can see here, upload theme, add themes, upload theme. So now we're going to click on upload theme here. Now if you have a theme in a .zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So now to upload our theme, all we simply need to do is to click on file here, choose file. A new window is going to pop up, which is our computer interface. So as you can see, we have to install a new WordPress theme. All we simply need to do is to search for our downloaded themes here. So I'm going to use Smart Mag, or I'm going to install rather newspaper theme here. This is theme newspaper. So now we're going to click open here, newspaper.zip, install now. As you can see here, we have newspaper.zip. So let's check. Still loading though. It's taking a while. Let's pause the video while so as you can see, this is how you can actually upload the WordPress theme. We've chosen the file here, which is newspaper.zip. Now you're going to click on install, and once it's successfully installed, then you click on activate. I'm sorry, I may not have to be able to proceed on this same video due to my internet due to the speed of my internet service provider. Wow, well, oh, thank God it has been successfully uploaded. So as you can see here, we have unpacking the package, installing the theme installed successfully. So now all you simply need to do is to click on activate. After activating, you can go to themes page, and then you can see everything for yourself. That is it on today's video, how you can actually upload or install WordPress theme to your WordPress site. I hope you actually found this video helpful. If you did, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can as well learn how to install WordPress theme to their WordPress website. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.